Pearl diving was once a very lucrative industry for the UAE, dating back over 7,000 years. Due to the shallow waters in the Persian Gulf, people were able to dive down to the depths of the seabed on one breath of air to pick up oysters, which often contain pearls. So to learn more about pearl diving, I'm going to Al Suwaidi Pearl Farm in Ras Al Khaimah, where they still practice the traditional style of pearl diving. So we're just taking a boat out here from the marina to where there's slightly deeper waters, where there's flotation devices where they actually farm the pearls. Now, nobody really does the old form of pearl diving because it's very dangerous, and your success ratio of finding a pearl was about 1 in every 100 oysters. So pearl farming massively increases that, and I'm going to find out a little bit about how they do this. Pretty cold. So, got the nose clip on. Here's my basket. So keep that around my neck. Practice the breathing techniques. Okay.
Welcome.
That didn't work very well. How far did I go down? Like,
GoPro on it, we shoot from here. We see you.
نزل ايدك معاه بس قرب عليه قرب عليه نزل ايدك ما تروحلوش خالص
go on! Look at that! Woo! Alright, I'm a pearl diver now. Oh wow! Look at this! I got a pearl. That's a good pearl.
Yes.
That's a really good one. That's perfectly round. So what would that be graded as?
This is grade B.
B.
Yes, B because high luster. And
So that's worth around 270 dirhams.
like this, yes. 300.
300.
Yes. Nice quality.
Wow. And then we can also eat the meat.